Hi friends, this trip is in incredible India and we are taking you to McLeodganj. Even in McLeodganj. How is it?
Fantastic, different feeling.
Hi everyone. So you are looking for next trip to McLeodganj and it's a great feeling. After walking in this beautiful Tibetan market, we booked our hotel, a room with the view, and it was something special. This is where we are staying. That's the main view. It was time to visit this famous monastery called as Norbulingka Institute. It gave me so many insights about Tibetan Buddhism. That's McLeodganj Road. Quaint and beautiful. That's Rohit. Calling it a day with so much peace because after all we were here to relax, unwind and watch this beauty. Himachal is beautiful. It was trekking time. These hills were calling me and we had this beautiful waterfall pathway to explore. We went all the way on top of this hill and saw this beautiful waterfall called as Bhagsu Fall. So we did make it to the Shiva Cafe, which is top of that hill.
There where the smog is, that's a Shiva Cafe.
We visited this temple and where the Dalai Lama stays. We explored various cafes and had one of the most delicious food here. But this view is the reason why we are here for, and most of our time we are going to be sitting here and looking at this beautiful green valley. So friends, how did you like this beautiful destination? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Travel Chords.